Point number 2, consistency. So consistency is the second accounting conventions. So what our consistency concept says कि we need to follow our accounting policies. Means same accounting policies should be followed from 1 year to another accounting period. One accounting period to another accounting period means we should not change our accounting policies. तो जो हम accounting policy follow कर रहे हैं that should be consistently applied from one period to another period. Correct? Understood? So write down. As per these conventions, as per these conventions, accounting policies should be followed. Accounting policies should be followed consistently from one accounting period to another. Correct? So whatever accounting policies we are following, that should be consistently followed from one accounting period to another accounting period. What is why? Likho to ensure, yeah, to achieve. Why it is done? To achieve comparability of financial statement. To achieve comparability of financial statement. Correct? Now are you getting what I'm saying? So whatever accounting policies we are following, that should be followed consistently from one period to another period. Correct? Now I mean right now in some other chapter we'll do that. I think you have done also. For inventories, to determine cost price, we use two methods. There is one method is known as first in first out method. Have you done this? Have you done this FIFO weighted average price method in your class 11, 12? Please respond. First in first out method, and second is what? Weighted average प्राइस मैटर. जस्ट राइट डाउन. विल डू इन्वेंट्री चैप्टर, तभी वहां समझ में आ जाएगा व्हाट इज फीफो. इसे हम प्यार से बोलते हैं फीफो, फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट मेथड. अभी डोंट, आई एम नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाट इज फीफो, व्हाट इज वेटेड एवरेज प्राइस मेथड, वो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. करेक्ट ना? नो what are the two methods to determine the cost price of inventory? Means there are two methods to determine the cost price of inventory. One is FIFO, one is weighted average price method. Now in the first year we are using FIFO. Can we use weighted average price method in second year? Bolo yes or no? Are you getting what I am saying? मेरी बात समझे. There are two methods prescribed to find out the cost price of inventory. One is FIFO, other is what? Weighted average price method. One is FIFO, other is weighted average price method. Now the question is that, can we, if in the first year we are using FIFO method, can we change it to weighted average price method in second year? Bolo yes or no? Can we change? Can we change? Respond fast. Yes. So as per consistency conventions, we should not change. We should not change from FIFO to weighted average price method. We should consistently follow FIFO method. Similarly, Can I say, you know, depreciation? Depreciation. So in depreciation, there are two methods to calculate depreciation. Abhi tak we have not done depreciation chapter, but I think in class 11, 12 you have done. There is one straight line method. Straight line method. And second is what? Second is known as reducing balance method. Reducing balance method. Are you getting what I am saying? So can I say straight line method if you are using in the first year, can we change to reducing balance method in the second year? No, due to consistency convention. Reducing balance and diminishing balance are same. So I am using reducing balance. हो सकता है 11 12 में आपने उसको पढ़ा होगा diminishing balance. Correct? Are you getting what I am saying? Correct? Understood? Right up. However, however, a change in accounting policy, a change in accounting policy can be made in certain exceptional circumstances. Correct. Now consistency said we should not change, but can I say if this convention is followed, then sometimes we become rigid, means we want to change but we cannot change, means we should change but we cannot change because of consistency concept. Therefore in certain exceptional circumstances we can change also, but normally we should not change. Normally means without any justification we should not change. Are you getting what I am saying? Means आपका मन कर रहा है, मजा आ रहा है तो चेंज मत कर लो. Are you able to understand? But can I say we can change when there is some exceptional circumstances and change is required to understand the financial position of the balance sheet. Correct now. So write down when we can change. I'm now question arises when we can change. So write down an entity should change its accounting policy in any one of the following circumstances. In any one of the following circumstances. Point number 1, in any one of the following circumstances. Correct? Understood? देखो, to comply with the requirement of accounting standards. Correct? To comply with the requirement of accounting standard. Now आप पूछोगे sir what is accounting standard? Now accounting standards are some policy document. Means accounting standard are some policy means rules and regulation. Correct now? So accounting standard are policy document which is issued by our godfather ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. So can I say our godfather means the godfather of chartered accountant. Correct ना? अभी आप CA बन जाओगे तो आपका parent body कौन हुआ? ICAI. Means we are the member of ICAI. We are the member of ICAI. I am saying we means one day you will also become chartered accountant, so you will also become the member of ICAI. So ICAI has issued many accounting standard which we need to follow while preparing our financial statement. Sir AS कब पढ़ेंगे? अभी we'll do some brief discussion of this accounting standard in our CA foundation level, but detailed discussion पूरा accounting standard detailed discussion will be done in CA inter and CA final level. Means आपको वहाँ expertise level होगा, तो accounting standard बाद में देख लेंगे, brief discussion will be done, but I think right now you have understood कि what actually accounting standard means. Correct now? Are you getting what I'm saying? So to comply with the requirement of accounting standard means if accounting standard is stating that we should change, so we can change. Correct now? Are you getting? So to comply with the requirement of accounting standard. Correct? Point number 2, to comply with the provision of law, with the provision of law, with the provision of law means any specific act. Correct now? Of course, there are many acts, for example, Companies Act. Now, Companies Act is saying that we need to change, then we need to comply the requirement of Companies Act, then we can change, because law का बात तो मानना है, अगर वो गलत भी है तो मानना है. Are we able to understand? So act, we need to follow the requirement of law. So if you are following the requirement law and due to that provision we should change our accounting policy, therefore we should change it. Correct? Point number 3, when under changed circumstances, new accounting policy will reflect more true and fair view, of financial statement. Correct now? So when under changed circumstances, new accounting policy will give better picture of financial statement, means more true and fair view, more true and fair picture of financial statement, then we can change. Correct now? So suppose we are using SLM method, but we want to change to RBM, and by following RBM is reducing balance method. If we change the depreciation method, the depreciation will give more true and fair picture of the asset of the one entity, then we can change, otherwise we should not change. Correct now? So these are the 3 circumstances under which we can change our accounting policies. Correct? Otherwise means normally we should not change. Have you understood this point? ये point समझे? Correct.